Welcome to the 3ds Max tutorial episode. Today we are discussing about the navigation tools and steering wheels in 3ds Max. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos. First of all, we are dealing with the navigation tools in 3ds Max. Here is the different types of navigation tools which are given in this right bottommost corner, and we can this one, the last one is the maximize viewport toggle, which is used to maximize each of the 4 viewports by clicking the viewport active, and we can select the tool maximize viewport toggle and we can maximize the active viewport. Once more, when we click this toggle, it will remain back. Then this is the orbit sub-objects tool, which is used to orbit the viewport given here. We can just maximize this viewport and we can use this orbit sub-object tool. Let's click it out, and by clicking the right button of the mouse, we can orbit, we can rotate the viewport. This is the use of orbiting toggle, and you can escape from this tool. And there is another tool, it is called pan view tool. It is used to pan the viewport, just clicking the left button of the mouse. The next tool is the field of view tool, which is used to zoom in and out in a uniform manner. Just activate the toolbar and click the left button of the mouse and drag inside and outside to zoom the active viewport. And this is the zoom all extents selected. Zoom extents all selected. We can minimize the viewport and we can see the changes in the 4 viewports, that is the all viewports. There is a change in all viewports, that is called the zoom extents all selected. If the object is selected or deselected, when it is disordered like this, we can choose this toolbar and zoom extend all selected here like this. And this is the only zoom the active viewport only. Just click it out, you can see it is zoomed only the active viewport. This is used also for zooming the different viewports. And this is all about the navigation tools, and there is some shortcuts for the navigation toolbars. This is used to maximize the viewport toggle active viewport, but we can also select it from this plus button and maximize viewport, or else click alt plus W to maximize the active viewport. And also we can minimize or restore viewport, or click alt plus W to minimize the viewport back. Also, like the orbit sub-object, we can use this V cube to rotate the viewport like this. we can click the V cube. This is called the V cube. We can click the V cube and rotate the viewport. Also we can pan this viewport by using the mouse. We can press the scroll button, and on removing the hand we can pan the viewport. Also by scroll down and up the mouse we can zoom out and in the viewport. This is all about the navigation tools in 3ds Max. Next we are studying about there are so many types of navigation tools we have discussed, and we are dealing with the steering wheels, which is also a type of navigation tool. Steering wheels, which is taken from views. You can see steering wheels, toggle steering wheels, or shift plus W. This is the steering wheels which is active now. We can zoom, rewind, orbit, pan, look, center, walk, up and down, and different types of navigation tools are there in the steering wheels. It is active also in all other 3 viewports also. By moving the cursor we can activate the navigation bars or steering wheels in each of the viewport. We can see how it works. When we click in the zoom and drag in and out, we can zoom the viewport. When we click the orbit and rotate the viewport, we can orbit the viewport. Also when we click the pan and just move the viewport like this easily. Also this is rewind. Rewind is used to see the previous views in this project. We can see the previous views or positions in this file, scene file. And also this is our used for walking and up and down. We can up and down the viewport like this. This is all about the steering wheels in 3ds Max. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you. Welcome to the 3ds